What's up, guys? I just want to cover this real fast. This is a big part of my income. Even if you can't donate something to help, whatever, this is how I make my money. I basically, YouTube's a fairly good size of my income monthly. If you can't donate or you don't want to, that's fine. Feel free to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. But if I kept you from spending hundreds or $1,000 easy at a shop, consider me. You know what I'm saying? It takes time to make these videos. I love giving free information, but it also feels good to have my back scratched too. You know what I'm saying? So everything you need to know is in the link below. Also in the comment section, you'll find all my information in the pinned comments. And I hope I help you guys out. You can help me out. Let's get started. All right, new battery installed. Let's see how it sounds here. There you go, brand new Caltrix battery in there. Let's see how she sounds. I feel like the other one was very low amperage. It definitely needed some attention. So we'll see if this one makes a difference. Oh yeah. Oh, it sounds like it's got a lot more amps. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Sweet. Oil change and new battery today. This thing's ready for the road. I did order a tire. I have got to replace this one. This dude drove this puppy until it was bald. It's still got a little life left in it, but not much. It's got about maybe 400, 500 miles left on this tire. Back one's brand new, but the front one, yeah. I ordered it. I'm just gonna change it here in the garage. But the back tire is brand spanking new. I also redid the brakes, so they're a lot happier. This bike sounds phenomenal now. Yes, sir. right, next up, work on that ABS sensor. See if I can figure out why that's blinking when I drive. I'm assuming it's this, one of these sensors up here. Probably this. That might be the speed sensor, but I think it's also connected to the ABS. So we'll see. Yeah, it sounds really good though. All right. Cool. Cool.